Your days of struggling with retrofitting are finally over. I'm Corinne from Everylite, and I'm here to show you something that will change your lives in this industry forever. Introducing Everylite's groundbreaking flash system, the only flexible sign cabinet lighting solution on the market today. Let's take a look at this piece by piece. Here we have an aluminum extrusion, professional looking, sturdy, and durable. Simply cut it to your desired length. Now, the component that makes the flash system so amazing. This is the clip that secures the LED module in place. They're light and chemical resistant. No more screws or measuring, just pop these clips into place and see, they're still easily adjustable. Next is the terminals. One has a tension spring and the other does not. Press firmly onto the ends of the bar to ready your product for installation. Now all you have to do is remove the fluorescent tube, install the bar like so, add your final wiring, and voila! It's that simple. With this clip system alone, you can effortlessly assemble a 4-foot bar in minutes. Maybe even less, if you're that good. The flash system offers incredible flexibility. It is the only lighting solution in the market today that you can easily customize as far as brightness goes. Want an even brighter output? Add in extra clips until you get your desired result. Say goodbye to the inconvenient multiple trips to the job site. Save labor. Retrofitting is finally a one-man job. And save money. Reduce your inventory by stocking this one product that effectively does it all, from retrofitting to new construction. With flash, flexibility, speed, and reliability go hand in hand. The choice is obvious. Choose the fastest one. Learn more about the flash system and give us a call.